Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Greg Michalowski from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex Quick Look. Going to take a look at the dollar versus Canada. Today's date is March 28, 2024. Let's get started. The ups and downs continue for this currency pair this week. We started the week up here, came down to this point right here, and then back higher, and now back lower, making new lows for the week in the last hour or so of trading. This is the 4-hour chart, by the way. So, the price is finding some support against a cluster of different target levels, including the 50% midpoint of the move down from this high to this low right through here. That 50% retracement comes in at 1.35378. Also in play is a cluster of moving averages, including the 200 bar moving average on the 4-hour chart. That's green line, the 100 bar moving average on the 4-hour chart. That's this blue line right here. Both those levels are in play as well, including and finally a bunch of swing levels through this yellow area right through here. It's being approached, but as you can see, the high of the swing area held support. Also, the it's above the 50% retracement, 135.378, which is the highest of those moving averages and retracement levels. So the buyers on the dip are trying to do their job. We'll see if they can keep that momentum or that support going and push the price back to the upside. Now, speaking of the upside, the high price that we saw in or high prices that we saw this week stalled within this swing area. The swing area going back in time to here and before, actually, where we had a number of different swing lows and swing highs through this area here before the market moved to the downside. We returned to the levels here and here, each time moving lower here, and then in the trade last week came up to that area, and this week as well come up to that area and find resistance as sellers against that level. So we will need a move above the 136.049 up to 136.269, inclusive of the 61.8% retracement of the same move to the downside to increase its bullish bias. If we get above that level, we'll look toward the topside trend line here, which is now in between this swing area up through here near the 136.54 to 68 level. So for now, however, support is holding against this lower swing area, against the cluster moving average, against 50% retracement. On the top side, resistance is holding against the swing area and the 61.8% retracement. There you have it. I'll look at the dollar versus Canada from a technical perspective. My name is Greg Michalowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.